Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a Make It Mini Cafe Series 4. I could already see in there, so I know what we're making. There's the Sunny Bites. And the instructions. There should be like a French toast type thing in here. Berry Danish is what they call it. That's what we will be making. So this should be a pretty easy build. We have blueberries and strawberries. Also have, oh, that's pretty. Really fun checkered board. Tweezers and resin with a nozzle. So let's clean up and make this one. Here's what the checklist looks like. Looks like there's maybe like a little concave in the center where you can put resin, or maybe it just looks like that, maybe it's flat. But yeah, you just add the resin and add the berries. It's very, very easy build. So let's see, I imagine, yeah, I was about to say, pretty sure they gave us 2. Thought I saw 3 for a moment. Oh, these are bigger than I thought they'd be. Yep, and it is caved in the middle. So a little reservoir to put the resin. I like that. Makes it easy. This piece of paper is also folded up and inside the box in case you want to lay that down. But let's open this. I'm going to try to do it just like they did. So one with the blueberries and then one with strawberries and a blueberry in the center. Probably don't need the nozzle for this one, but I'll go ahead and put it on. And I'll probably need my tweezers. I love these precision tweezers. They're always linked below in case you're wondering which ones I use. So let's put a decent amount in there. I'm not gonna fill it up too high, I don't think, because we have to put the berries in and I don't want it spilling over. Could probably add just a touch more in there. I think that's pretty good. Okay, so they have the strawberries facing outward. And now that I'm looking at these, strawberries look huge compared to what it looks like on the picture. So now I'm wondering if I should have put more resin on it, so that it comes up a little bit. Maybe not. I'll just put them in there and see what it looks like. That's cute. And then they have one blueberry in the center. I'm gonna pick this one and drop it in. And they kind of did a pattern for the other one where there's a blueberry in the center and then the other ones go around it. So I'm going to try to follow that. They go in a circle around. I like that with the blueberries, they're just slightly different colors on some of them. Gives it a nice little touch. And it looks like we'll have lots left over too. I'm a little concerned how it's going to cure though when it mainly is covered up. Guess I could have did that in layers, but it's a little too late for that. I think that's cute. That way I don't overcrowd it too much. Let me see, did they do 6 or 7? They did 6, so that's exactly what they did. Time to cure it. Okay, here's the finished product. Didn't take long to cure with a flashlight. And I think out of a 10, I don't know, I'd probably give this like an 8. It's cute. I like the portion or the size of it. My daughter's gonna love this for her dolls. And yeah. If you want to see me make more of the cafe or from scratch or to finish the Target ones, I only have like 2 or 3 of those and I have them all. I just haven't filmed them yet. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.